Purva Northern Lights is the new luxury residential apartment project launched in Bangalore. Kiad Aerospace Park, Gummanhalli, North Bangalore. The massive residential enclave, Purva Northern Lights, Purva codename Flow, is spread across over 24 acres and features the very best in Puravankara's luxury living segment. The project offers spacious 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and 4 BHK apartments with luxurious features. Beautiful landscapes all around Purva Northern Lights, with over 80% open spaces, nature-centric amenities, and expansive landscaped gardens make it more special and elite. The builder is guaranteed to bring a quality living experience to the community of Gummanhalli, Bangalore, North Bangalore, with brilliant nature-inspired architecture and an equivalent lifestyle in Purva Northern Lights in Aerospace Park. Purva Northern Lights location has excellent connectivity and it is located at the crux of Bangalore and BK Halli Road at the heart of Kiad Aerospace Park in Gummanhalli with proximity to Thani Sandra, Hannur Road, Bhartiya City, International Airport, Bellary Road, Manyata Tech Park and Hebbal near existing and upcoming communities and facilities. Some of the 50-plus amenities at Purva Northern Lights include a fully equipped 100,000 SFT clubhouse, landscaped gardens, gymnasium, swimming pools, recreation rooms, outdoor sports courts, children's play area, AV rooms, party areas, and meticulously planned state-of-the-art 24/7 security. The Purva Northern Lights location is inside Kiad Aerospace Park, Bangalore Road, near Hardware Park off Bellary Road NH44, in North Bangalore, Karnataka, pin code 562149. It is 10 minutes from the Doddajala metro station, upcoming airport Metro Blue Line, and close to the Shell R&D Center, 5 minutes, and the Boeing India HQ, 8 minutes. The Satellite Town Ring Road, STRR, which is 7 minutes, 6.2 kilometers, away, provides great connectivity to Hebbal, Yelahanka, Devanahalli, and central Bangalore. Thanks for watching my video. The Northern Lights location adds strong value to the Puravankara new residential project near the International Airport, KIL, placing you at the center of North Bangalore's emerging tech and aerospace corridor. Bangalore Road connects seamlessly to major IT parks, corporate offices, and social hubs, making it an ideal choice for those looking for luxury apartments near Devanahalli. 32-meter wide Kiad Road offers seamless movement within the hub with easy access to NH44 and the upcoming Peripheral Ring Road, PRR. Vital link via Bangalore Road, a crucial corridor connecting Yelahanka, Kattiginhalli, Sathnur, and Hannur. Enhanced highway access significantly improves reach to NH44, Bellary Road, and the Hannur-Bangalore Road, streamlining the commute to the Bangalore Airport. Proximity to tech hubs. A prime choice for professionals seeking apartments near Manyata Tech Park or those looking for premium flats near Bangalore Airport. This gated community flats near Manyata Tech Park, 15 kilometers, 25 minutes, is also close to Bhartiya City, 12 kilometers, 20 minutes, and the Kirloskar Tech Park, 18 kilometers, 30 minutes, in North Bangalore. It is a prime spot with great connectivity and a fast-growing neighborhood driven by the aerospace cess. Doddajala metro station on the Namma Metro Blue Line, Airport Line, is just 10 minutes away. A major advantage is that the upcoming metro phase to be Airport Line will be a game-changer, connecting the city center to the airport with stops near the aerospace hub. It will bring high-speed transit within minutes of the project. The Kempegowda International Airport, KIL, is about 12 kilometers, 15 minutes, from the best luxury projects in Bangalore 2026. It is about a 15-minute drive via the Aerospace Park main road, providing the fastest airport access for frequent travelers and expatriates. The best luxury apartments near Bangalore Airport offer excellent access to key transport hubs, including Yelahanka railway station, approximately